Oh, shoot. No, I'm videoing. I'm videoing right now. It's coming out of video.
You are videoing?
Look. Who's here? Look at the Easter Bunny. Look at Kate. Oh, wow. Look at the Easter Bunny. Oh, no, look at Bryson. He's crying. He's crying. Look at the Easter Bunny. Oh, it's okay. It's woo! Yeah. Easter Bunny. What do you mean all the kids? I'm freaking out.
I'm freaking out, man.
They had this yesterday. I went to the mall. And they had the little assistants there with the Easter bunnies. It was scary.
Oh, yeah.
You know, all dark and
It's like a bad David Lynch movie.
so bad, right. So they have she has the little feather thing, and she's putting in all the kids' nose to make them laugh. It's just so disgusting. At least this one looks a little bit cleaner.
Yeah, he's okay.
Right. Oh, she... John, it's the Easter Bunny. That's so cool, isn't it?
Dude, cold on.
Okay, where's Jacqueline? Cole, did you see the Easter Bunny? Do you like the Easter Bunny? Do you wanna come see the Easter Bunny with me? No? Okay. Okay. Can you go stand next to the Easter Bunny? Okay. Say hi to the Easter Bunny. Say hi, Easter Bunny. Say cheese, Easter Bunny. I'd try to.
Can you go stand with the bunny with them?
Come here. Yes, ma'am. Take a picture of the bunny. Oh, yeah, okay, but my baby's sleeping.
Well, we can just leave you in it.
Look at everybody around the Easter Bunny.
Take a picture.
Yeah, go in.
You want to take a picture?
Okay.
I'll give you our camera.
Yeah, I'll take a picture for you.
Good one.
Oh, there you go. Look at him. He won't take his eyes off.
I'm just looking straight ahead because I don't know where to look.
Brandon, get in there. I'll take one with you. Get over to the other side.
I got this all on video.
Ready?
You want to take this for
Come on.
Come here, Bradley. It's okay.
Oh, watch her.
Brandon, get in there.
Well, Jill's going to jump
You can't see the Easter Bunny.
Look there first. Look there first. Jill.
Okay.
One, two.
Yeah, I know.
3.
Okay.
All right. All the kids.
Oh, Easter Bunny. Oh, sorry. Okay.
All the kids with the bunny.
All the kids with the bunny. Oh.
Every kid grab a foot.
Oh, look at the Easter Bunny. Look at Kate. Say hi. Hi. Oh, it's okay, Kate. Oh, look, she's going to touch it. Oh, say hi.
Wait.
Oh, be careful, Easter Bunny.
Has the bunny been drinking?
Wait, Easter Bunny.
What?
Oh, it's funny.
Easter bunny I've ever seen.
That's a really tall Easter Bunny. That's funny.
I'm not sure if that's a bunny or a jackalope.
No problem.
Mark, you got a minute.
Did you hear that? John says, "Oh, I don't know if that's see if she'll go. See if she'll go to Jacqueline. See if she'll go. Yeah, that's okay. You did it. Oh, good girl. Good girl." And John says, "I'm not sure if that's an Easter Bunny or a jackalope." What did he say? A jackalope.
You got to get your picture taken.
You got to get your picture taken. Cole's not too into it.
The Easter Bunny. Look.
Yeah. Oh, look at the Easter Bunny.
No.
Oh, let's say hi to the Easter Bunny. No. Then we can go get eggs. We can go on an egg hunt. Yeah, look at all the eggs everywhere. Look at all of them. You have to... Look at it. You have to say hi to the Easter Bunny, and then you get to go get the eggs. But you just have to take a picture with the Easter
Okay,
Bunny.
Put the eggs in your basket.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, everybody hurry up.
Are you gonna get some eggs for Daddy? Yeah? And some for Alana too?
Yeah, I can have some too.
Can Alana have one egg or 2 eggs?
2? Okay, let Eddie go in there because he's all into it. Okay, go say hi and then you can go get the egg.
Say hi for
No. Oh, that's not. That's okay. The Easter Bunny is very scary. Oh. Say hi, Kate.
That'd be even scarier, seeing an actual person inside of a bunny suit. That's true, it might be.
Say hi, Kate. Say hi, Jacqueline. Oh, that's great. Where's my husband, John? John, let's go take a picture. Sorry, Scott. We got to take a picture with the Easter Bunny.
The baby.
The baby's kind of sleeping, but... Well, because you and me, at least, we made the baby. We can at least take the picture, right?
I want proof of baby.
Oh, the Easter Bunny laughed. Wow.
Bunny up to the
That's because his eggs aren't choked. What a bunch of babies! Easter Bunny is not the... Are you going to hand that to somebody or are you going to give up the control, freak?
I'm not going to get... Here, come on.
Here, let me take that for you.